So welcome my subscribers, and this is Chief Engineer Swapnil Tamankar, and you are watching Marine Geek YouTube channel. So let's begin with our query number 1, and this is episode number 7. Ask Marine Geek, frequently asked questions. Lot of marine queries we are going to discuss over here. So let's get into the video. The next topic or the query what I received was that when I'm applying for a COC, should I have the existing COC valid, or it can be done, that is to apply for the next higher grade of COC and my older COC has got expired. So we got the solution. We tweeted to BG Shipping, and this is the reply what we got. And the good news over here is that we can apply with an expired COC. We have removed that particular ambiguity that we have to revalidate first the COC or not. No, not required at all. You can apply for a higher grade of COC with your existing COC in expired condition as well. Query number 2 over here is a very good news for deck officers on oil tankers. Related to the query was that LCHS DG approved course for your oil tanker operations, liquid cargo handling simulator if you may, that is not getting conducted all over India, and it is now getting very difficult for these deck officers to get the advanced oil DCE renewal as well as new. Without LCHS certificate you cannot get. So relief for everyone on 15th July 2021, MS notice number 4 of 2021, BG Shipping has given a partial relief to all deck officers who are working on oil tankers. No need to do any LCHS course. That's right, you can apply for advanced oil DCE without LCHS course. There is a small thing over here. You are going to get your advanced oil DCE only till 31st December 2022, and after that when you come back doing 1 or 2 contracts, you have to do your LCHS course and make that same advanced oil DCE from that 18 months etc to 5 years advanced oil DCE. So go ahead to your advanced oil DCE without LCHS. The next query was respect to your CDC replacement. So before I go into that query, I would clearly mention CDC renewal. The word renewal, that means you are going to get sticker. That means you have enough number of pages for your next ship stamps, but your expiry is going to finish or expired. CDC replacement, that means the book itself is finished, about to finish, hardly any stampings there, damaged, mutilated, torn or lost. So once we have cleared the air between what is CDC renewal and replacement, this particular query was with respect to CDC replacement in particular, where your existing CDC booklet has to be sent to MMD, where they will stamp on each and every pages as cancelled and returned back to the owner, and a new CDC booklet is issued to that seafarer. So the query was that I have submitted the CDC replacement, I have generated an application number, I have paid the fees, I have uploaded all the documents, but now nothing has happened. Yes, nothing will happen further anymore. But why? That is because the CDC has to be sent via speed post to the respective shipping master's office. So you can send it to shipping master's office in Mumbai, Chennai or Kolkata. I will put all the detailed address of each shipping master's offices in the description of this video for your help. You have to send, after generation of application form, the booklet immediately. Do not wait. Once the shipping master's office has received your CDC, they will put approved status in your Indos profile, because some of the people have the impression that unless it gets approved, I'm not going to send the CDC. So this clears the air that it is never going to get approved. Send the CDC first and then it will get approved. I hope you are liking this video. Please do like, share and subscribe such that more mariners will get the benefit of these frequently asked questions. These queries are never going to get discussed, and you can search on any Google website or on YouTube, and you are never going to get these answers straightforward, live from the experience, right from the mariner's mouth. Stay safe, stay secure. God bless. Thank you very much.